In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the taillights on this Ford Ranger, and we're going to upgrade to these performance LED strip black housing taillights. Let's get started. On the outside, you'll have two Phillips head screws. Remove them both. And with the tailgate open on the inside here, you'll have two more Phillips head screws. Remove both of these as well. These are going to be shorter. On this last one, make sure the taillight doesn't fall off. Catch it if it does. There you have it. We're going to remove both connectors by turning them counterclockwise, both the brake light bulb and the reverse light bulb. We will not be using the brake light bulb, so you can pull this one out. We will, however, be reusing the reverse light unless you have a new one to install. And what we're going to do on this new taillight assembly, you'll notice this piece just hanging out here. This has to stay attached, and you can either use the double-sided tape provided or tuck it into the body somewhere. And that's important so that the LED part can function as it should. And then we're going to take the brake light bulb socket. We're going to connect this connector to it, which is, as you can tell, similar, has the same mounting style as the brake light. So put that in, and then before we actually clip it in to the taillight, let's take the reverse light bulb and mount that. The reverse light bulb gets mounted right above the brake light bulb. Might take a little bit of maneuvering to make it line up. There we go. Once it does line up, turn it clockwise until it stops. That's locked in. Then you can lock in the brake light bulb connector just like so. Make sure you tuck this in there. And line up the taillight assembly. Has a couple pins right here that it needs to slide in. There we go. I'm going to secure it with this screw first. Then I'm going to start this one on as well, just so I can have something that will hold this taillight on. You will have to cut new threads into the plastic inserts. Don't tighten them up all the way. This still needs to move around just a little bit so we can line up the two outer screws. Now let's start the two outer screws in. And since the two inner ones are already in, push the taillight assembly tight up against the body and tighten these up. Now careful, you don't want to crack the assembly or the lens on the outside here by over tightening it. Just snug. There we go. Now tighten the two inner ones.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.